viewers, today we will be making a new and amazing recipe and easy recipe. The name of this recipe is crispy shawarma. So let's begin with the first ingredient, soya sauce, 2 tablespoons, and we have chili sauce, 2 tablespoons, and we have salt to taste, vinegar, 2 tablespoons, and we have 1 teaspoon white pepper and 500 gram chicken, boneless. First we will add our chicken in an empty bowl. And I'll put our white pepper in. And we'll put our salt as you want. Vinegar. Now red chili sauce. And now we will add our soya sauce. Yummy soya sauce. And now we will mix it first. And after the mixing, I'll tell you our next step. Mix it well. So the soya sauce and the chili, the red chili sauce gets on the chicken. Nicely done. Marinate for 1 hour or more if you want. Okay guys, now it is time for the coating. So let's begin. First we'll add our 1 cup plain flour. And now we will add our 2 tablespoons corn flour. Goes in. Salt to taste. And we have white pepper, 1 teaspoon. Tikka masala, 1 tablespoon. To just make it yummy and delicious. 1 teaspoon garlic powder. Mix it. And now we'll make the shawarma white sauce. So let's begin with this ingredient. So we'll blend it, 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise. And now 2 tablespoons of creamy yogurt. And now sesame seed, 1 tablespoon. Fresh garlic, 1 tablespoon. Salt to taste, as you like your salt. And now white pepper, 1 tablespoon. And now we'll mix it. Our shawarma white sauce is ready. And now we'll make a vegetable batter. So we have some carrot, tomato, and some green chili, and some onion. And we have some vinegar. So we'll add some vinegar. 2 tablespoons vinegar. And now we'll add our vegetable. We already put some tomatoes. We'll put our carrots. Trusty old green chili. Some onion. Mix it well with the vinegar. So guys, if you want more vegetables, you can have it, but I'm not a vegetable guy, so I'm just gonna put that much vegetable aside. And now let's get to our third step. So for our crispy shawarma, we'll have our chicken marinated for 1 hour and our coating flour mixture. Now let's dip it. First we'll take a chicken piece and dip it in our flour. Let's give it a shake. I love it. Now we'll put it and dip it in water to get out the other mixture. And now we'll dip it again to make it more crispy, crispy. The mixture is now coated nicely. You have to do that. And I will put it in a separate plate. We'll do it like that to our all chickens. So now let's do it. I'll meet you after this. And now put our chicken in hot oil. We already heated the oil. First chicken goes in. Fry until it gets golden brown. So as you can see, let me give you a close look. It looks so yummy, and now it is frying for quite a bit long time, and it is also golden brown. Let's take it out. It has been 2 to 3 minutes. Now we will turn our chicken. Now just fry. Now we put it in a separate plate. Looks so delicious. Amazing. So let's move on to our second step. So guys, now it's time for assembling. So we already made our shawarma bread. As you can see, I will show you if you want to see how to make shawarma in the link in the description. So we have our chicken ready. So now we will make our shawarma. First, we will take a pita bread and put some white sauce that we made it earlier in the video. And we'll pour a white sauce, and we will spread it on our bread. And now we will. Looks deliciously delicious. And now we'll put our big pieces of the chicken. Now time for the vegetable. Yep, vegetable. Get some green chili in there, and some onions. And now you put some ketchup and wrap it up. Love it. Now we'll put some ketchup on the top. Love it. And now we will roll it. I love the sauce, so I'll put more. Yeah. So guys, our yummy shawarma is ready. So I will be enjoying my shawarma with an extra chicken piece because I love 2. I added 1 more. So guys, if you like this video, subscribe, leave a like, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. I will repeat. And if you want to watch the pita bread video, you can watch it in the link in the description. So I will see you in the next video. For now, goodbye. Allah Hafiz. I love it.